even, okay? Hey guys, welcome to a new video. Now please don't mind my hair. I'm going to refresh it when I get back. It's a little crazy right now. But yeah, anyways, so today is nail day. I mean, are you surprised? We're gonna continue the cozy fall vibes. But yeah, this is my last set. Every time I stand here, it looks so red, but this is like a dark cherry color. It's just like in the light, it just looks so much brighter. But yeah, we're gonna do some fall nails. I was thinking either brown or burgundy. I'm not really too sure. But yeah, let me show you guys my OOTD. You guys, it's finally feeling like fall in New York. It's not hot and humid anymore. It's really cold. Well, not that cold, but it's like nice and crisp outside. But I have on like this teddy jacket from H&M. I have on a brown top from Abercrombie, and my pants are from Zara, my sweatpants. And of course, you guys already know my sneakers are downstairs. I'm gonna wear my Air Maxes today, and then my Coach Tabby. For scent of the day, I'm going with my Burberry Her Toilette. Don't sleep on this, you guys. Like, this smells so amazing.
When did it become fall?
Hey guys, so I just got my nails done. I went with a burgundy color and I'm obsessed, okay? I'm just feeling so good because I'm having like a cozy fall day. I got my tea, I got my nails done. It's nice and breezy outside. So yeah, I'm headed to Home Goods now to do a return, and we'll see what we find because I'm pretty sure they have all the Christmas stuff out. So see you girls in a bit. Hey guys, it's much later. As you can tell, I put on my hoodie and my house sweatpants. We all got a pair. So as you guys saw, my dad was here taking off the AC for me. Thank God, because honestly, I don't know what I would do without my father. So shout out to my dad. So I want to show you guys really quick what I got at Home Goods. It's not much, honestly, but I ended up getting these. How cute is this? This is for like my iced coffee. This design is like the little reefs, and it has like, you know, little snow on it. And then this one is Christmas tree and like what's this called, candy cane. So they're really cute, right? And then of course I got a Christmas candle. This is a spiced apple and I don't know how to say this, fear. What I always tell you guys, English is my second language. Oh, but this is definitely giving Christmas, holidays, and it's just nice and warm. So since my dad put away my AC, now I am forced to take care of this project that I have. I've been avoiding this, but I need to just do it. I'm like, you know what? I got an hour or two. Let's just tackle it. All right, you guys. So we are in front of my closet in the sala. This was actually my husband's closet. Every time I stand here, it just throws me back to like when he used to be here, and I usually like just talk to him while he was getting dressed. So every time I stand here, I feel like his energy is still here, you know? So I just love it. As you could tell, a boy was here. I don't know, it's just like a nice memory to have some. Yeah, I slowly started putting my own things in here. But now it's a disaster, you guys, because I haven't been able to take out like my summer clothes till now because it's been so hot in New York. So I actually have to store my ACs in here, which is crazy. They're on the bottom. I mean that I had to tackle the bottom for him to put that away. We got at least one part done. So that this doesn't become complicated, I'm just gonna tackle the top part for today, and then I'm going to figure out my clothing situation tomorrow or maybe on Sunday or something. I don't know. And it's perfect timing too because they come and pick up the trash tomorrow, so I get to throw out everything that I don't want. So to get better organized, I do have these storage bins. I got these at H&M Home. I just love the color. I think that it's really pretty. So I'm gonna figure out what to put in here. So I got 2 of those. And then I got this one with the lid. I'm thinking maybe I could put my kitchen towels because I also had to like put other things from the house in here. Let me just take everything out from here and get started. Remember when everyone bought this bag? This is what I wanted to be, a wax girly, and it didn't work out for me. You guys, this was Bienvenido's. Fun fact, I used to cut his hair. And I would like help trim his beard and stuff. This was also Bienvenido's. This was also his. Yo, what the heck? No, because let this be your sign to clean out your closet. I completely forgot that I had this bag. It was inside the tote bag. In this one. It was inside of it this whole time. I'm gonna figure out my purses in a second, but we're gonna donate this one and we're keeping her. And just like that, we are all done. I ended up finding these 3 bags that I'm going to donate. I have a huge bag, you guys, filled with donations. So I just need to like schedule a pickup for next week. And I already feel so much better. Like I feel like a weight has been lifted off of me because that task has been on the back of my mind forever. So at least the top and the bottom are done. We just need to figure out the clothing, which that's gonna be easy. So if you've been putting off looking through that closet or going through that drawer, girl, do it because you're gonna feel so much better. So it is not the next day. It's been 2 days since you last saw me, and I am back to tackle the middle part of my closet. Of course, I had to pour myself a tea. I'm actually drinking an anti-inflammatory tea that I found on TikTok shop because the way I was misbehaving this weekend, okay? I did have a spicy margarita or 2, okay? And I had some really good Dominican food at this new restaurant. I definitely need to drink an anti-inflammatory tea to, you know, get back on track. And I did work out this morning, so I'm feeling really good, really energized. So yeah, I have the energy and the time to tackle this and finally put in all of my fall clothes. And today is actually like the perfect day because it was like cloudy and it was raining last night. And actually today's kind of weird because it wants to be hot, but at the same time it's cool outside. It's giving very New York, okay? First things first. This has been irritating me because this is so summer and I'm like, I need to just switch them and just put them upstairs. So I did get to wear this finally. I went throughout the whole summer without wearing her. I actually bought her with you guys on a vlog. So I did get to wear her at an event. I may wear her here and there because I do like to wear pink during winter. So, but for now I'm gonna keep her upstairs for sure. And then you guys, this dress, this beautiful dress I got it off of H&M. Look at the back detail first of all with the big bow and then the puffy sleeves. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I wore this for my brother and my sister-in-law's baby shower. I wanted to do like a whole get ready with me for TikTok, and the time slipped out of my hands. I don't know what happened. I never got to do it, so hopefully maybe I can do it next year. So mind your business if you see this dress again, okay? Now that those two are out of the way, because it was irritating me so bad because it's like literally in the middle of all of these dark clothes. Now there's a jacket that I know for sure I am not gonna wear, and I just need to give it away. Well, I'm not gonna give it away. I'm gonna try to sell it on Poshmark. I'll have my Poshmark info down below if you guys are interested in anything. But I'm gonna get rid of this. I know this is actually super cute, but here's the thing. I actually don't like the way it fits me. I feel like it's a little too short, and being that I'm pretty long, my upper body is longer, so it kind of like the proportions don't look right on me. So I'm gonna definitely add this to my Poshmark. I'm also gonna get rid of my winter coat. This held me down for a couple of winters, but I actually really don't like this either. You know what it is? It's the outer layer. This type of material is not the greatest. It kept me really warm because it does have like the Sherpa material. Yeah, I need a new winter coat, so I'm gonna put her upstairs actually. Oh my god, you guys. This puffer, are you from New York even, okay? This puffer gotta go. I got this so long ago off of Misguided. If you guys watched me for a really long time, I used to do Misguided fashion hauls. That was my jam. That was my favorite online store ever. I don't know what happened to her. She's like gone. Christina's gone. And so yeah, I just want to get rid of this. And plus, I've never really liked this back detail, but I kept it anyway because I just liked it, and it also kept me super warm. Like, I'm talking about like it'd be 30 degrees outside and I could wear this with a sweater and I was good to go. I got plenty of wear out of this, so I am gonna just donate her for sure. I'm getting rid of this. I bought this, I don't know why. It was one of those things where I was out of my mind, but I'm gonna get rid of her. Like, she can go. This is so old, you guys. It should be a crime. It should be a crime to have this because I'm gonna donate her. She's in great condition, so I definitely want to get rid of this. I wore her last year, but I haven't worn her this year at all. So I don't know if I see myself wearing her. But then again, maybe I could wear her to the gym. What do we think? She's a maybe. She's gonna stay right there. For jeans, I am gonna order some like hangers that I saw on Amazon. It just comes with like a little clip right here, and they'll save so much space, and plus it'll give me extra hangers. I kind of wish I had I was gonna say brown. I wish I had wood hangers, especially that when I went to St. Martin, it just hits different. It makes you like want to get dressed. You get me? Like, I don't know, it's like a whole other vibe in your closet. Look how much more space I have now. Getting rid of all of those jackets. Wow, look at all of these sweatsuits I have, and I'm like, I don't have enough sweatsuits, but I really don't. You know what it is? It's because it's the jogger style and I want the wide leg ones. Yeah. Girl math, right? I need a reason to spend some cash money, okay? So this is where the real work begins, right? I have to bring this upstairs. I have 2 racks. Yo, these really came through. Like, these hangers, let me tell you, I'm obsessed with these because the way I was able to stack up all of my summer pants. Yes, I have this many summer pants. Resort wear is my favorite fashion, you guys. Resort wear and street fashion, hands down my favorite type of fashion. So, you know, I do invest a lot in my summer wardrobe. I am a summer baby, okay? I do want to invest in one of these just for tank tops because I find myself layering my tank tops like this, and that's kind of annoying. Every time I want to get a tank top, I have to like unravel it. You see what I mean? Another one. Oh my god, same thing with this. So yeah, I have a few here that I actually should go through these and let's see which ones I can get rid of. I literally bought this for it to hang in my closet because I had a vision and the vision didn't come true. And then I'm gonna get rid of this one. She's really cute, y'all. Very, very cute. She's just a little too see-through for my liking. All right, so we're gonna keep these and we're gonna put them upstairs. I'm also gonna bring up my summer dresses. I'm gonna go through these right now actually to see if maybe there's 1 or 2 that I don't want. No, I want these. Like, for sure I'm keeping those. No, every girl needs a black little dress. Oh my god, why do I have a pair of trousers that I could wear right now? Stop playing. And I was thinking about wearing trousers the other day. Look at them right here. See, this is why you gotta go through your closet. You don't need to go shopping. You need to go through your closet. For sure, I'm keeping this dress. It's so pretty. It has like cutouts on the sides. Actually, I wore this to DR in my DR vlog. The iconic white dress I wore for my birthday. Hell yeah, we're keeping this. My favorite cardigan, y'all. Y'all know I love this. She's staying in the closet. Zara clothes are too expensive, okay? We gotta weigh her down. Alright, you guys, hopefully I don't look a mess because I started sweating really bad, going up and down, up and down. So I just finished organizing all of my clothes in this closet. I'm feeling really good about it. I feel so much better, so much organized. We have 2 other closets to tackle, but we're not doing that today. That is it for today, and that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. You already know I have more cozy fall vibes coming your way. I always like to take the time out at the end of my videos to thank you guys so much for watching and for commenting and giving me a like. I really appreciate it when you guys do that for me. I feel so honored that you guys click on my videos and you want to interact with me, and I'm loving this community that we're building. So yeah, I have much more coming your way, so make sure you're subscribed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.